Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I know maybe you don't know that Google now has a text-to-speech tool that allow you to generate conversations or narrations with realistic voice. I mean realistic voice, not just voice that sound like AI too. And the good part of this is that it is free. It is free. You are not going to spend any money. You're not going to make any payment or any subscription. It is free for now. So without wasting more time, let me show you. Come to your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Okay, this is it here. Okay, it has opened. Okay, this is it. So if you want conversation text to speech, this is it here. You have speaker 1, speaker 2. Let me run it so that you understand what I mean.
Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities,
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Alright, this is a conversation between first speaker and second speaker. So this simply means that like when you want to create a conversation text to speech with first speaker having different voice and the other speaker having different voice, this really make it very easy. And first of all, you put the instruction you want, the how you want the conversation to be. You want it to be calm, you want it to be harsh, anyhow you want the conversation to be, you put the instruction there. Then if you want to a narration text to speech, you simply come to this side beside the setting. Then you can switch between multi-speaker or single speaker. So now you select single speaker. Now you come down here at this voice and choose the voice you want. All these voices are male and female. They are realistic voice. You can choose any one of your choice. For example, let's go with this number, the first one. So after selecting the voice you want, you still have option to choose from either Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS or Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS. Any of the two, anyone you choose will give you what you want. So let me select the second one. Okay, I've just selected the second one. Then I'll paste my distance. I have a script already, narration script. I have it already. Let me paste it there. Then run. Then I will leave the instruction like this because I want a warm and friendly tone. Yes. Then I click on run. So you have to exercise patience when it's generating. Sometimes it might take over 1 minute, 2 minutes. So you have to exercise some patience.
A baby's life was a constant struggle.
Alright, our text to speech is ready. Then just listen to it and see how realistic this voice sounds.
A baby's life was a constant struggle. By day, he walked the streets, searching for work or selling small goods to make ends meet. His family's needs were barely met and hope seemed distant. But at night, a baby's world transformed. In his dreams, he was a king, living in a mansion, driving luxury cars and wearing designer clothes. People bowed.
So can you see how calm and how realistic this voice sounds? And like I said earlier, the good thing about this is it is free. You are not doing there's no subscription, there's no payment for now. It is free. And there's no limit of what you can generate. There's no limit of what you can generate for now. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that anytime we upload videos like this kind of videos, you'll be the first to know about it. Thank you.